So a couple of people have asked how to access the Microsoft Teams meetings. I downloaded the Teams app to my computer. And then I pinned it to the taskbar. So I'm going to click on it. Um, so it has the different things that Julian and Paul were talking about the other day, but I'm going to go to Teams and then um, oh yeah, so it's not here. So I'm a member of these different teams, our department, Reading staff training, leadership team. I'm actually going to go to the calendar. So over here, I can click on this. I'm not really sure why, like some have a solid blue bar and some have this striped one, but if I click on our staff meeting, I believe I can click on this link right here. Oops, actually, okay, so that did it. Here I am at home. So now if I close it, it looks like I could have also clicked join up here. There we go, that did it. Okay, so it looks like it's pretty easy to join into the meeting. So let me know if you have trouble with that. See you soon.